Hello student. Hello Mentor is a guidance program of Beautiful Mind IS in which we take up queries of students, and today I have several queries that has a common issue, and that how to prepare optional subject for upcoming civil service examination for 2021. So what should be the preparation strategy and how to manage this strategy with the strategy of GS. So being a faculty of psychology and being a clinical psychologist, I can guide you within 5 minutes. Just listen carefully. See, uh, the on the basis of my experience that I accumulated over the year, almost 20 years, I can tell you. This is not a sequential thing. As far as GS is concerned, you cannot prepare in few months. It is a matter of awareness, knowledge and awareness. So it is an ongoing process. So for this reason, you should start preparing for GS right from the beginning. Getting? And second thing is optional. If you want to prepare optional subject properly, then this is the right time, because after prelims examinations, many people gear up for optional exam bars, and this is the right time. And I have in my previous guidance video, I have said that you cannot prepare optional subject within 3 months or 4 months. Remember this thing, it will take time. So if you start suppose right now, whatever be the optional, be it psychology or some other optional, being a student, see, I am your I am faculty of psychology, I guide for psychology optional, but the same strategy will work for other optional also. You just manage your time first. In the beginning, you can give 50% of the time. Suppose you study for 10 hours, 5 hours for this thing, 5 hours for this thing. But as you grow in psychology, or you will find that progressively you will require 4 hours, then 3 hours, and the remaining time you can allocate for general studies. So after 2 months, 3 months, you will find that you are putting 6 hours, 7 hours for general studies, and then this, and that will be sufficient for you in the beginning, because you will be, suppose you are planning to take coaching of psychology optional, then in the beginning generally it will take time. So because you are taking coaching, so you will be listening lectures also, 2 hours will be gone in that, and then you will do some self study, you will try to answer questions. Remember, don't forget to answer question right from the beginning. Although quality of the answer will be not very high, but this habit will have a great payoff in future. Don't think that I will finish everything and then I will start answering questions. Whatever knowledge you have, you should start putting efforts and try to design the answer with the limited content that you have. Okay, suppose there are 14 units in psychology paper 1, 14 units in paper 2. So once you start reading unit 1, 2, 3, so whatever questions are given by the teacher or have been asked in previous year, you can make efforts. Quality will be slightly average, but that efforts will make that a habit will have a I'm repeating that a very great payoff in future. So this will be the thing that 50% you can give in the beginning, or progressively after some time you will give 3 hours for optional subject and rest hours for general studies. But don't commit a mistake that sequentially first I will finish entire syllabus of psychology and then I will start preparing for GS, or vice versa. You cannot do this thing, because even optional subject has it requires deeper knowledge. Deeper knowledge means theoretical understanding of the things, then explanations, the limitations of that explanations, then new development, new researches, many things are there. So it takes time, and practice, it is learning is a gradual process. Good, performance will come with practice, but that will take time. So expect that with coaching and guided study, about 5 and 6 months will be the required time, and then you will keep doing practice, because see, in April, May, when you will have more focus on general study, that time also 1 hour you can give for optional subject. and this kind of a strategy will help you to score good marks in of mains. That will be the basis of your merit list. So it will help you in ethics also, it will help you in essay also. So when you are analyzing, because optional subject will require analytical understanding, so that you will develop out of efforts, and then its knowledge should be in proper shape. I am telling this thing, and you should be aware of merit of some explanation as well as limitation of that explanation. So as far as the strategy is concerned, this should be the time management strategy. Okay, if you are very rigid, then no, I can afford only 3 hours for optional subject, you can give. Then you will find slightly constraint of time, that I am not able to write answer, this will suffer. So if you can manage extra hour for your optional subject in the beginning for few months, then you should, then that will be very helpful for you. But my emphasis is over one thing, that don't make sequential that preparation, like first I will finish this thing, then I will start this thing, or vice versa. I am repeating this. You go sideways, prepare both things side by side, then you will be confident of your prelims also, mains also, as far as GS is concerned, and side by side your backbone of your mains and all these things will also be prepared. So this will be very successful strategy. And if you are if you want to join some live online classes, presently we do not give offline classes, but if situation become normal, then we can think of that thing, then you can join our live of classes also, online classes also. And if you are working individuals, I have a solution I have developed on demand of this thing, that some video lessons are there, and at the weekend I am providing doubt clearing classes. But remember, Beautiful Mind classes are very personalized and only for few individuals, because I personally interact with each every student, and I keep asking questions, and they also have freedom to ask questions. So I personally believe that this is the this should be the mentoring strategy, because that's just lecturing is not effective in civil service examination. And the strategy that you have adopted in college examination, no matter how, whether you, I have seen several toppers, in their university, they also required a lot of efforts to put in order to excel in civil service examination, because this is a competitive examinations. You remember this thing, the nature of examination is different. College examination and competitive examination is different, so you know very well, but you should realize also this. So I hope I have made it clear that you start right from sooner is better. And then okay, one more queries are there, how to start. So if you do not have any guidance in the beginning, just start with NCERT book. Why don't you read this just in the beginning? Even I read in the morning, for 2 hours. I have habit to read the textbook, and that will help you a lot. So suppose you are planning to take coaching of some subjects, so that will start after 1 month, for example, I am telling you. Then don't wait for that, you just start from basic books, then your fundamentals will be clear, and then you will be able to understand the concepts more. So as far as my batches are concerned, you can check on our website beautifulmindis.com, it is given. So I hope I made it clear. In the next video on guidance, I will guide you further. Thank you for watching this video.